this.
One of my favorite company here, Aqara. I've had a lot of reviews, product reviews of Aqara already, so you can check that out. I'm at CES, just ran into the Aqara booth. I was actually looking for the booth, to be honest. They make some really good, cool product. And I have Jack here that's gonna talk about two of the really fantastic new product they have unveiling here at CES. So I'll pass it to Jack to tell us all about these products, why it's different from other companies out there, and how we can get our hands on one of these.
All right, hey everybody. So this year at Aqara, we have the new U400 doorbell. So here it is right now. It's being worked on a little bit, but let me demonstrate the UWB unlocking. So it has all the standard features of a smart doorbell, fingerprint, keypad. You can link it to cameras, sensors, etc. But what makes this special is the UWB unlocking. So this unlocks directly from your iPhone. As you approach the door will unlock without you having any sort of interaction with it. So that way, you know, you got a sweaty thumb and that messes the thumbprint up, no worries. For old people, for anyone who might have trouble with the keypad, all good.
Well, I live in DC. It gets very cool there. I don't want to take my hands off.
You don't have to take your gloves out to type in the key code or anything like that.
Okay.
For A category, for the doorbell G400. This is our new wired doorbell. It's a PoE wired doorbell. So what makes this cool is it can connect to our W200 thermostat sensor, and there's my pretty face. There's us. Yeah, and you can unlock the door from this as well.
And does it sell separately, or is this?
No, so these are three separate products.
Okay.
Now, they work very well together, but they also work very well individually as a standalone. The W200 is actually pretty interesting because it integrates with Apple Adaptive Temperature. I believe we're the first on the market to integrate with Apple Adaptive Temperature, which is Apple's new feature that manages your HVAC while you are, it manages your HVAC for you. So if you're on your way home from work, the HVAC kicks on. It cools down your house, it heats it up, it knows when you're going to sleep, and adjusts accordingly, etc., etc.
Yeah, this is really cool that your thermostat can get a photo of you at the doorbell and alert you or show you an image of what that is.
Right. So
and it's not an extra product you have to buy.
You're not pulling it out of you don't have to pull out your smartphone to take a look. You can see right from the doorbell.
Awesome, and it also has a chime to it too, right?
Yes, the doorbell has a chime.
And this is the U400.
U400 on sale on Amazon right now.
Okay, so you can go right now and purchase the U400. It's very different design from the U300, which is more boxy and shorter with a false key. Does it have a false key here?
Oh yes, it has a false key right here.
Oh, perfect. Awesome. That comes in very useful when we lock ourselves out.
Yes. Also, okay, so the battery life. The battery will notify you. The device will notify you when you're 20% down. But nonetheless, if you forget to charge the rechargeable battery, you will not get locked out. There is a port underneath here for emergency charging. Perfect. So right here we have a USB-C port, and that's for emergency charging. Not for charging the full battery, but you can use an external battery to charge that real quick if you are in a bind.
And do we have to get a new hub for the U400?
The U400 is a Matter over Thread product. You don't need to buy an Aqara hub.
Okay.
If you have an existing hub, it connects with the Matter ecosystem, then any of these are going to be okay. So if you have an Apple Home, Google Nest, etc., all of these will integrate fine with the U400.
Perfect. Awesome. So please check out the lineup here for Aqara Tech. That just works all the time. So that is it for Aqara. Make sure you click on this link here if you want to check out on the Aqara products and where to buy it and any information about it if you want to include that.